What is your opinion, Katie, about living up in Estes?
Living up in Estes?
Or just hanging out and recreating?
Oh, I love coming up here. It's beautiful up here. The weather's always nice. There's a lot of fun things to do up here, and the shopping's awesome. So I love it.
Such a wonderful place. I wholeheartedly agree with that. Little Dixie, and there's always businesses that have water bowls around too. And then you can kind of see on this edge, oh, you can see the elk up there. Let me zoom in a minute. We'll go around. There you go. You see some beautiful elk up there. It's a very common occurrence this time of year. I did just see a baby cross through, so we'll get to a better side. Maybe we can see them without the big trees over here. So this season is called the rut, so this is definitely more of their mating, breeding season. They are popping out everywhere. Like just a couple of nights ago, we had bull elk at Backbone and a bunch of fun, beautiful stuff out here. So I'll stop for a minute and give you guys a beautiful shot. Side of the Riverwalk, and here we are showing, of course, you know, Backbone Adventures. We are very happy to be here. This is our second location, and this is solely a retail location. And this is kind of walking in. We've got some candy for the kiddos there. We've got a beautiful shop around here. Of course, Dixie loves people, loves hanging out. And then I'll just do a quick little walk around of, this is our full store. So when you come to our main HQ next to the lake, we don't have half of these items that we do. So it's a lovely time to be able to explore and show you guys what we offer in full for our merch. Personally, if I can give you some recommendations, this guy is one of my favorites for hiking. It's a lovely cotton blend, so yeah, it doesn't dry that quick, but it's really, really lovely. We've also got some amazing merch. We've got button-up shirts, button-up flannels down there. Really cool Aztec kind of furry texture. It's a very light 3/4 zip. Actual like real winter shirts, which, I mean jackets, which are great. And then some e-bike stuff. And then honestly, all the hats you can probably need. We've got ball caps, ranging from like Rubicon logos to our normal one. And then even our main, like, if you come here in the winter, you forget a hat, you want a cool one with a pom-pom, these guys are lovely. And then we've got some vests there, if that's more your vibe. Some lighter ones. These two are probably some of our favorites. They're so funny. That one's really funny. We've got some good stuff here. And then this one we just released, actually. We do have a Facebook post of it. So that's awesome. And then just, can never go wrong with some real camo with a lovely Backbone logo right here. Love it. And then a little Dixie's hanging out too. So this is our lovely place. If you want stickers, if you want shot glasses, we've got it all down here. So swing on by. There's some really great places down here to get some really good stuff. Sit, experience, sugar, ice cream, shopping, whatever your heart desires. Estes Park probably has it. Oh yeah. And then like old-fashioned candy, plenty of that in there. Probably not super dog friendly. T-shirts, more jewelry, handbags, outdoor clothing, bear-themed shirts, and then more outdoor clothing at an actual outdoor store. There's just so many wonderful, lovely places to go hang out here. around and hang out. Katie, what's your favorite thing to shop for when you're shopping downtown?
Probably souvenirs. I like finding the boutiques and everything. Lots of old-fashioned candy or Laffy Taffy for sure.
Fair. So you're definitely a taffy girl, huh?
Yes.
Nice. Totally valid. It gets stuck in my teeth too much that I can't really enjoy it, but I totally understand. I don't know, sometimes the fudge up here. I love the fudge up here.
Or the ice cream.
Yeah, I'm also lactose intolerant, so that's no fun. But it's super fun. And then we've also got the Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory comes soon. And actually, that's the Stanley Hotel's chocolate factory. This used to be the old church shops. It used to be quite different. So we're all kind of anxious to see on how that's gonna come out and look and all that fun stuff. So we'll show you the other places. I'd say for me, when I'm shopping downtown, one of my favorite places is probably Lithium. They're awesome. I love getting my skateboard there. They're about the only place in town that does skateboards, which is really great. But, you know, I also love, you know, the funny little souvenir and tourist shirts and fun Bigfoot themed things, and could never go wrong when you're shopping downtown Estes Park. Another thing that people really love about And then some personal favorite recommendations for eating up in Estes Park is gonna be Himalayan Curry and Kebab, which is that restaurant right over there. You can see their sign up there. Absolutely delicious. If you like Indian food. Shack, personal favorite, and we'll kind of show you around inside. And we know they're dog friendly because they actually theme some of their stuff around their own dog, which is Buddy the golden retriever. They make some lovely lemonade, ice cream, and we've got Dixie stopping for some water down here. That's another lovely thing about Estes Park, that the shops love their dogs out here, especially wonderful dogs. And then just while we're here in the shade enjoying it, Rapid Transit Rafting, that's another place that at Backbone Adventures we really like supporting local. So they're awesome. They come in and they support us just like we support them. So this is kind of where downtown primarily ends relatively. You see Town Hall over there. And then we've got Claire's, the CBD outlet, Seasoned, which is a local favorite. Claire's is also lovely. And lovely park, you can catch some live music. So we hope you enjoyed kind of a walk around of vlog style of downtown Estes Park and why we love where we are, and we invite you to come in either to our retail store, book with us, and enjoy what Northern Colorado, especially Estes Park, has to offer you.